is Mommy and the girls. Mommy, lay down. I know I should have got him attached before I started doing the video. You guys are not sucking on the end of the tit. That's a problem. Come. Try to do a video of hooking puppies up. Here. Sometimes they don't want the one you give them. Not even sucking on the end of the tit. She's making sores on the mother. There, why don't you take that one? Alright, they're getting big, man. They're getting big. That's Tina. Alright, everybody is on the end. I think. Look how big they're getting. That's my hand. See how big they're getting? They're 3 weeks old yesterday. Dizzy dragging day. When the milk comes out, they wait their tail. You missed it. You dropped your tit. Get down here. I'm trying to turn this puppy sideways, and they're not as bad to push off your tit. This is red. This is Tina yellow, orange, white, and pink. Sometimes they get aggravated if there's nothing coming out fast enough. Milk's coming out. Let's see it. Don't drop your tit too soon. You better get back on it.